How to fix AION 2 unable to connect to login servers error. So if you're using ExitLag, you will need to basically click on AION 2 entry, where you go to connections and then click on AION 2, and then make sure to enable redirect login, and then click on reoptimize. And once it's done analyzing, just hit the apply routes button at the top. Now you'll just need to hit the start button to launch the game, and this should detect the connection automatically. And if you're still having the issue of unable to connect to login servers, try this alternative way to fix it. First, you will need to close the game. Then you will need to right click on your start button and open up the CMD or PowerShell or terminal in Windows 11 as administrator. And you'll need to run the following commands. The first one is ipconfig /flush DNS and then press enter. The second one is ipconfig /release, and then you will need to run the same command but this time renew and press enter and wait for it. The next command is netsh winsock reset, and then you press enter. And then netsh int ip reset and press enter. And the last one is netsh adv firewall reset and press enter. Now once you're done, you can close this and right click on your network adapter and open network and internet settings, and then click on change adapter options. Right click on your main adapter. So if you're using a cable, it will usually look like this, otherwise it will be Wi-Fi. It's called Wi-Fi. Go to the IPv4 protocol, double click on it, and then choose use the following DNS server, and then in the preferred DNS server use 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS you want to use 8.8.4.4 and press OK, and then press OK again. Now you can close this and then restart Purple. Right click on exit Purple. You can also restart ExitLag if you're using ExitLag or other software to reduce ping. Now you want to open up Purple as admin. Right click and open as admin. And now you can start the game and you can run whatever software you're using to reduce ping, or you can simply run it without any software. And now you should be able to connect when you press on the screen. And then you can select your server and go in the game. And if the issue persists, what you can do is try to temporarily disable your firewall. You can open up the settings and then go to update and security and find Windows Firewall. Click on Windows Defender Firewall, and from here click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off. You can temporarily turn it off, and then try to restart your computer and then launch the game again, and this should fix the issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.